In the quiet moments before sunrise, nature begins a gentle awakening. And the first creatures to greet the day are the birds. Their songs, movements, and rhythms create a world filled with calm beauty. Welcome to Nature Diaries. Today, we explore the lifestyle of birds in the morning. As the sky starts to lighten, the very first birds begin to sing. This early chorus is called the dawn chorus, a symphony of calls, each bird adding its voice to the morning air. For many birds, singing at dawn is more than just music. It's a way to claim territory, attract mates, and communicate with their flock. In the cool morning air, sound travels farther and clearer. That's why their voices feel louder, brighter, and more peaceful just as the day begins. After singing, birds begin their first mission of the day, finding food. Perfect time to feed. The insects are more active, flowers open with fresh nectar, and small fruits become visible with new sunlight. Some birds fly long distances searching for new feeding spots. Others begin building or repairing their nests with fresh twigs, leaves, and soft materials collected from the ground. Morning is the most active time for birds, a period filled with movement, purpose, and discovery. Just like humans, birds also have morning routines. Many spend time preening, gently cleaning and arranging their feathers. They use their beaks to remove dust, insects, and old feathers, making sure their wings stay clean and ready for flight. Some birds stretch their wings, shake off dew, and warm their bodies as sunlight reaches the treetops. These simple routines help them stay healthy, strong, and prepared for the day's activities. Morning is also the time when many birds reconnect with their group or flock. You'll see small birds flying together from tree to tree, communicating with soft chirps and whistles. This social behavior helps them find food, stay safe from predators, and protect their territory. For birds that mate for life, like doves and some species of parrots, the morning is a moment of bonding, gentle calls, soft grooming, and flying side by side. The early hours strengthen their connection with their partners and families. As the sun rises higher, many birds begin exploring their surroundings. Males sing from tall branches to warn others to stay away from their area. Some birds hop from branch to branch searching for insects. Others glide low over the grass, looking for seeds. And some species, like sunbirds, hummingbirds, and orioles, head straight to flowers for sweet morning nectar. For birds, breakfast is not just a meal, it fuels their energy for the day. From their gentle songs to their graceful flights, birds bring life to every new day. Their morning routines remind us of nature's quiet strength and beauty. Thank you for joining Nature Diaries. If you enjoyed this peaceful journey, subscribe for more moments of nature, calm, wild, and inspiring.